Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Rickroll QR code. First, locate the official YouTube video for Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley. Copy the complete URL from your browser's address bar. This specific link is crucial as it will be embedded into your QR code, ensuring your prank works perfectly every time. Double-check the URL for accuracy before proceeding to the next step. Next, you'll need an online QR code generator. There are many free and user-friendly options available. Simply open your chosen generator and paste the YouTube URL you copied earlier into the designated input box. This action tells the generator what information to encode into the visual pattern. Most generators offer a straightforward interface for this process. Now, you can often customize your QR code's appearance, adding colors or a logo if the generator allows. Once you're satisfied, click the Generate or Create QR Code button. The generator will then produce your unique Rickroll QR code. Download this image, typically as a PNG or JPG file, to your device for easy access and sharing. Finally, it's essential to test your new QR code. Use your smartphone's camera or a dedicated QR code scanner app to scan the image. Confirm that it successfully directs you to the Never Gonna Give Up video. Once verified, you're ready to share your Rickroll QR code and surprise your unsuspecting targets with this classic internet prank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.